I am back for day 2 of spreading holiday cheer with my Spirit Bomb 12 Days of Christmas Rum Advent Calendar. And if you haven't watched that video, whole point here is I ordered this a long time ago. It just got here. I'm a little rushed on time, so now I'm just making videos so I can recoup my losses here with this box of rum, because it was too expensive for what was provided. So with the contents of this box, whether that's today or over the next couple days, get me out of my overall Grinch mood. I don't know, we'll have to find out. Now, I'm moving along to bottles of rum in here that I want to try, so the whole thing is rigged. I know what the next one is that I'm choosing, and I am actually excited for this one. So let's open up the box. So just like a pain to open. Just not. All right. And look what we have here. Bounty White Rum. Now, I personally have never seen a bottle of Bounty White Rum. I don't know if it's available in the United States or if they're just in these tiny bottles. So we're gonna make a daiquiri with this, but I don't have the ability to make a full-size daiquiri, so I'm gonna have to scale it down. But here's some information from my intense research on Bounty White Rum. Bounty Premium White is clean and silky smooth, we'll see about that, which makes for an ideal mixing rum. It has been aged for 2 years to offer soft wood complexities and rounded balance. Now, if you watched the last video, I made a half daiquiri because these bottles are 50 milliliters. It's not quite the 59 to 60 milliliters you need for a 2-ounce pour. So I made a half daiquiri. And for this bottle, I'm in the mood for a full daiquiri. So even though I can't get the full, 60 milliliters or 2 ounces I need, I'm gonna build it like I would normally. I'll just scale down the lime juice and the sugar a little bit from a full daiquiri, because when this is all said and done, I don't need a bunch of half full little bottles of rum. So I'm doing a little more than 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. Also, none of this matters. It really doesn't matter. I'm still gonna do fancy pants style with the granulated sugar. Normally I'd put in 2 teaspoons. This time I'll put just a little bit less than 2. Could get even fancier and whip out your milk frother. That's faster, but I find if you just twirl it around for a little bit, that works okay. I'll let you get the full experience at home. I'll crack it open by the microphone. And all of it straight in. All right, so it's 100% calm still, aged for 2 years in ex-bourbon casks, and then filtered. I gotta say, it's not bad at all. As far as the dozens of white rums I've had recently, there's nothing offensive about it. It's not too, flavorful. There's not a ton going on here, but that's kind of how I like my white rum. So is it the best white rum daiquiri I've ever had? Is it the worst? Nowhere near the worst. That's not bad at all. You get a little bit of citrusy notes and then some vanilla, but you're not getting those harsh, lingering bitter notes that you get from some of those cheaper white rums. I just checked, and it's about $20 a bottle. The more I'm drinking this, the more I like this. So if I came across a bottle of this out in the wild, I'd get it. I'd like to test this against some of my other white rums. It's not going to be, I think, my favorite, but it's definitely above average. And if I was, if I was ranking this, I would probably give it 7.5 out of 10 Yule logs.